Good morning, class. It is theorem number 11. If two sides and a median bisecting one of these sides are respectively proportional to the two sides and the corresponding medians of another triangle, then both triangles are similar. Let two triangles ABC DEF and by the statement of the given theorem, what is given? Two sides and a median bisecting one of these sides, means let AL and DM are medians of triangle ABC and DEF. Given two sides and a median bisecting one of these sides. One of these sides means if we have to take two sides, then first is AB, another side is the side which is divided by the median, means BC. Similarly, first one side is DE, then another side is the side divided by the median DM, and it is EF. Then two sides AB and BC and median AL is proportional to the two sides of another triangle DE and EF and the median DM. It is given. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AL and DM are medians such that the ratio of AB and DE is equal to BC and EF is equal to AL and DM, means ratio of two sides and a median bisecting one of these sides is equal to the ratio of two sides and the median bisecting one of these sides of another triangle. Now to prove, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. Proof. Since AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AL by DM, it is given, and AL and DM are medians of triangle ABC and DEF. Then it divides the opposite side BC and EF in equal parts, means BL is equal to half of BC or half of BC, and EM is equal to half of EF. Half of EF. Since AL and DM are median, then it divide the opposite side BC and EF in equal parts, means BL and LC are equal, then BL is half of BC. EM and MF are equal, then EM is half of EF. Now from first we have AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AL by DM. It is given. Now multiply the middle term, multiply and divide by 1 by 2. In the middle term we have 1 by 2 BC, 1 by 2 EF is equal to AL by DM. Then AB by DE, 1 by 2 BC means BL and 1 by 2 EF means EM, AL by DM. Now AB by DE equal BL by EM equal AL by DM. AB by DE equal BL by EM equal AL by DM, means sides of triangle ABL and DEM are proportional. It means triangle ABL is similar to triangle DEM by condition of similarity. Means triangle ABL is similar to triangle DEM, and we know that if two triangles are similar then they are equiangular, means angle B is equal to angle A. Similar triangles, then they are equiangular, means angle B is equal to angle E. Now in triangle ABC and DEF, we have AB by DE, BC by EF, means the ratio of two sides are proportional and the angle including these sides, means angle B is equal to angle E. The ratio of two sides AB and BC is proportional to ratio of other two sides, means AB by DE is equal to BC by EF, and the angle including these sides are equal. Then by condition of similarity of two triangles, third property of similarity of triangle, these two triangles are similar and it is proved. ये चीज़ याद रहे कि जितने भी थ्योरम्स हैं ये अपने आप में क्वेश्चन ही हैं, इनको आपको प्रूविंग करना आना चाहिए। स्टेटमेंट पढ़ के आपको ये समझ में आना चाहिए क्या गिवन है, क्या हमें प्रूव करना है और किस तरीके से प्रूव करना है, ये आप प्रोसेस समझ के करिएगा।